In this video, I'm going to explain WhatsApp notifications. Important smart home alerts delivered where you'll actually notice them. Most app notifications get ignored. WhatsApp messages don't. That's why critical smart home alerts can be delivered directly through WhatsApp, the app people check the most. Receive instant notifications for important events like voltage spikes, intrusion alerts, appliances running too long, or devices going offline. Those alerts reach you in real time through a platform you already pay attention to, ensuring urgent issues never get buried under regular app notifications. You stay informed about the events that genuinely matter without constantly opening the smart home app or worrying about missing important warnings. You also control which alerts are sent to WhatsApp, so only high priority notifications reach you, keeping the experience useful instead of overwhelming. Note: WhatsApp notification alerts will only work after purchasing the WhatsApp service subscription. Now, I'll show you how WhatsApp notifications deliver important home alerts where you'll actually notice them. Open the Home Automation app. Tap on Automations in the bottom menu. Tap on Smart. Open the My Subscription page and tap on Active Subscription. Select WhatsApp services and enable the alerts you need. Then select the user options for who should receive the WhatsApp notifications and tap Save Changes. That's it. You'll now receive smart home alerts directly on WhatsApp. Critical alerts should reach you where your attention already is. Thank you.